Electronic health records are like large quarries where there's lots of gold, and we're just beginning to mine them.
IBM Watson might have failed to deliver on the hype, but let's not forget how much the system can benefit from data and analytics.
Predictive health analysis requires a medical database, which is the backbone for dealing with emergencies. Also, it helps on comparative medical solutions in the absence of records.
The exposure to wireless radiation, decreased physical activity due to automation and various other factors has exposed humans to many illnesses.
Apart from that, everybody is rushing to outperform others, and they ultimately result in stress, depression and other health hazards.
Individual doesn't have time to access for the cure. They are not aware of the coming illness, and they reach for the solution when the alarm bell is raised. Time attendance system is available in every workplace to monitor the presence of an employee.
We have taken one step further by enhancing the same device to do a quick health check in a short period of time. Hence your health is monitored every day along with the time.
We, Elat Touch, would be presenting our innovation under the category of health.
Our objective is to have an interoperability solutions for exchanging individual information across healthcare settings. Ultimately, we want everyone to benefit. We will be using Raspberry Pi as our data processor. Interfaced with Bicamera. Used for facial analysis and calculates BMI based on imaging. Fingerprint and pulse sensors. During fingerprint identification, the sensors would calculate the blood pressure, sugar level and ECG. Motion sensor and ultrasonic sensor. Used for image and distance detection and interactive voice response. Display. Interactive touchscreen display.
Features and functionality.
Data is collected from various sensors and stored in the local server and then synchronized with government cloud server for further uses. The stored data is like Amazon.com, recommending purchases based on its massive data about what people had bought in the past.
Daily health analysis of log data of the employee or user enables early detection of illness and prompt effective intervention and corrections. It would save the most of lives for the least money. Preventive analysis generates an alarm by email to the HR and the related concerns, if the data breached threshold value.
The stored data would be accessed by various government agencies for different reasons. Insurance agency to evaluate the expected risk factors. HR to monitor their employee and provide necessary counseling. Clinics will understand the medical records of the patient and relative analysis of unknown symptoms.
To whom does our innovative product will benefit? First, a happy individual which makes a happy family, then second, to the employer, on an efficient and healthy employee, and the country with the healthy citizens. Health starts at home, as it is not happening in most cases. The next stage is the office. It is a breadwinning place and implementation is easy. Ultimately, everybody benefits. We chose the time attendance machine as a collection source of the database. It is the first place an employee would pass through. Ultimately, health check is done on daily basis and the database is generated with ease. So, start healing at your touch.